So right now we'll be disconnecting this here, which prevents the engine from starting once it's on the stand. So first thing you need will be these Allen key set. You need yourself a blade. So what we do, we get your seat off, put that there. We'll have to release this. Now this comes off with one bolt here, one bolt here, and one bolt here. Once it comes them off, sorry, another bolt here. Once this comes, it pops off. You've got your two little rubber scrummets that go into here. Alright, I'll put that tidy over here. Alright, so what we do, gotta undo this. It's all pre-loosened, as you can see. Don't want them to give you the bite like this. Right, so that comes under here. Don't know if you can see that good. Right, it actually comes through here. This cable tie here was round there holding it, which I cut off. So you feed that through here. When you follow that up to here, what I've done, I bit the cable because I didn't know where it was going, and I looked through here, and basically I saw a purple cable through this bar, which actually resembles this. So that would give me the assumption that this is the clip for here. So this has to bend up. A little metal thing here, I'm not too sure if you can see it. Just bend it around a touch. Right, hold this camera, Joe. Hold this camera right here. See what I'm doing here? Right. See that through the lens, yeah? We'll do that. Should have brought scissors. Shouldn't really be showing them this with the fucking, but basically, you know, cut it like that. Bite it off. I wouldn't advise you to bite it off, but it's burning on the fucking side.
How long the fingers?
Yeah, so, look. Now just aim at the stand. Now the bite is running. That's the first thing we're going to do. Push them in. And look, come around into there. Go back a bit, Joe. It's fucking messed up. From that, and that. Got a clip into there.
Don't really need to put these back in, I just did a voiceover after. You know what I mean? Put these back in to make it look pretty. I've normally done this on the finger. You see that? Can you see that it's pretty?
Yeah, I'll go back to this again. I'm going to show them another one where you oil everything back together.